What's up, everybody? So I just want to make this small little intro, because you guys better see the videos as to how I got this DIY drawer to look like this. I was editing the videos and I feel like I was explaining some things, but at the same time I wasn't. So I just want to show you guys. So technically, this was gonna be a four system. I'll put the picture up right there, but I decided to just go with this. But yeah. So just enjoy this small little DIY video with my dad and I. I'm still not done. There's still a lot more things to do. So it's a work in progress. All right, cool. What's up, everybody? So I'll be wanting a drawer system for my Tacoma for a minute. Picked this little pallet system on OfferUp. It's not perfect, but it's solid. It gives me a little base to start from. It came with the drawers. This one right there and everything. Obviously, this is cardboard, so I'm gonna switch that out for a better material. I'm just right now checking the structure and the weight. See what I want to keep, what I don't want to keep. But I think it's pretty cool. Not bad for a first drawer project, and gives me like a little experience in case if I want to do like another one later on down the road. I'll show you guys a Tacoma right now. Even back here, it's high space, so that's good. About to do some cut measurements, cut something out. So we're gonna cut this out and keep this right here. I know it sounds confusing, but it's gonna work out. So. Now the only problem is trying to cut this out from over here. Right. What kind of news? Yeah. So I might just keep this one like this and have this one a big one. Kind of like the look of it like that. So yeah, we'll go for that. Alright, so we're gonna put this on top right here. We're gonna glue it. But we're gonna use these little things to stick them on there. What's up, you guys? So I kind of figured I'd even make like an ending video to the project that I'm doing. So I decided to come out here to an empty parking lot and do like a little video. But yeah, this is my 2019 Toyota Tacoma Sport. There's nothing major I've really done except for change my exhaust, and that's pretty much it. Yeah. I did take off the side skirts because I painted them matte black because I don't like the chrome look. But seeing it without the side sibs, I think it looks badass, so I didn't put them on. There's a lot more I'm gonna do to it, so hopefully you guys stick to the journey and see what happens. Alright, cool. Thanks for watching. Laters.